Hello everybody! Today I'm very excited to introduce the unboxing of two new products. So one is the Mago Essential, that is an IoT device for wireless casting. It's the next generation of wireless casting because it's not limited to Apple AirPlay, Google Cast and Miracast. And of course inside you will have this very nice design accessories, so dual outputs, you can connect LED wall 4K, 8K, and our operating system running on Windows 11 IoT is guaranteed an enterprise level of technology. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and Ethernet. So this is the very small IoT device. Inside you have the bracket just to connect behind any type of screen, VESA mount, power socket, and a few adapters depending on the country. So you have US, Asia, Europe, UK, and a few screws for the VESA mount kit. So the best high performance wireless casting device, and today a second announcement is the wireless BYOM kit that paired with this device is offering a very smooth experience on the wireless BYOM. So this is the receiver. The receivers, you connect your preferred camera, power USB-C, and externally, optional, if you have external audio subsystem, you have 2-port, digital and analogic. And this is 5 GHz, made in Taiwan, TAA certified. And on your laptop, so during your casting of your preferred Teams, Zoom, whatever, you just plug this amazing dongle, and this dongle is automatically selecting the camera connected to the receiver to your laptop as preferred. So you have USB-C for the new laptop or USB-A. And this is nothing to do, so you have here a small LED, you just see red, and when it's green, that means the camera is extended to your laptop. Wi-Fi 5 GHz, and the smooth experience native on your laptop using the meeting room peripheral.